Today, we're unboxing Amazon furniture. In my previous video, we were hunting for budget-friendly apartment finds for the living and dining room.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nessa Rain. For those who are new, welcome. To the returning subscribers, welcome back. Today we are going to be unboxing my furnitures. I got 3 packages. 2 of them is my sofa and the other one is just the 2 chairs that I'm going to put in the center of the living room. Tuesday, I'm waiting for my dining table. Not dining table, dining chair. So stay tuned. We're going to open our first box. Chairs that I ordered. Gray. These are the chairs. Oh, this is sofa. Well, we have to put it together. That's not my thing. When I open the box, the first thing you will notice is that it comes with a manual booklet. The booklet has step-by-step instruction along with clear pictures and diagram. Make it super easy to follow along. It basically walks you through the whole progress of putting the furniture together and give you an idea of how it should look and once it's fully set up. We're gonna put them together and we'll be right back. The last box until Tuesday I get the dining chairs. So this is how the sofa looks. It's going to inflame up in 48 hours. How it looks. It's tiny, but hey, at least you could break it apart than to have the mover guys to move the whole entire thing. That's a good thing about it. I like it. Just have to fix the living room. We're gonna open this box. This is the 2 chairs that is going over there by the lamp. Stay tuned. I'll be back when I finish do the chairs. The last piece of the furniture that I ordered from Amazon. The downfall, 2 of them have different legs. One look like a reptile. I don't know why. And the other one is straight, but I like the color. It goes with the sofa over there. Stay tuned for the I am showing you guys the picture of the chairs that I'm going to order. It was 4 chairs and there were like $184.99. Yes, for 4 chairs. Dining room chairs. So I'm not gonna end this vlog, so I'm gonna continue it when it comes Tuesday. So stay tuned. Okay guys, this are the 4 chairs that I ordered from Amazon. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Chairs didn't cost a lot. It's short. We need to get some pillows for the chair. It's like wooded. The seat is kind of hard. It worth the money though. It's very stable, especially wintertime. The seat is gonna get cold. I have to get some pillows. I haven't seen any pillows yet, so I have to check Amazon. I'll leave a picture on it on Amazon. And I can't remember how much I spend on these chairs, but I'll just put it on the screen how much I pay for it. So this chairs had taken me like 2 hours, and I actually was giving up of doing the chair because one of them was giving me problem. This is the finished look. I did not have to buy a new dining table. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get more uploaded videos. See you on the next video. Bye.